Whoa, let's learn stuff. Chapter 6, Understanding Consumer
Next
Behavior.
concept is consumer socialization. So this is also something to keep in mind depending on what you're writing your marketing plan paper on, because so I'll talk about the definition first. So this is the process by which individuals acquire the skills, knowledge, and attitudes relevant to their functioning as consumers in the marketplace. So this talks about how we are shaped. So the things that we like buying or the things that we prefer today, who we are really, is determined by the people we associated with, especially when we were younger. And so that's why there's um, something to whatever it is that your parents preferred, like perhaps that influence what you purchase today as an adult. So, like for me, for example, growing up, all my parents ever bought were Toyotas. So, pretty much that's all I buy myself. So, that kind of stuff. But then you're also influenced by peers, right? That's why, like, think back. So, my daughter's 11th grade, and well, wait, I don't know if she can hear me right now, but I have my door closed. But yeah, she's very much influenced by what her friends are wearing, right? So like she just gotta have this because so and so is wearing this. So definitely we're influenced by that kind of stuff. What we see in the media, right? So you see all these movie stars or celebrities wearing something or driving something or whatever. Well, that kind of influences what you think about that. It's kind of not an accident, right? When we're watching shows, how there's product placements at that point. So let's see. For example, subcultures teach their members specific consumer values and behavior. So yeah, if you think about the definition of subculture, so different religions might teach their people to purchase only certain things or not do certain things. So that definitely would have an effect on what you would purchase and what you would prefer. And then the next concept is conspicuous consumption. So this is everybody. This affects everybody. Consumers buy products to display their status. So, right? You buy stuff to display whatever. And sometimes maybe you don't have that status, but you think if you buy this, people would think you're, you know, part of that group. So people are just interesting, I guess, is the other part, right? The things we do, like we buy things so that, we communicate something about ourselves. Because even not wearing any kind of brand name stuff is also an expression, right? A form of self-expression, right? So there's a lot of things that we do to do that. Like, in many ways, what we buy is an extension of ourselves, and so there's that whole emotional connection also. So sometimes it doesn't make sense, right? So like a t-shirt, for example, I've always said, like a shirt from like what's something cool right now anyway, that like a brand like Lululemon or something like that, let's say. I would say a pair of shorts in Dollar General that looks like what's in Lululemon. Like if I were to put a Lululemon logo on a pair of shorts from Dollar General and try to pass that off, I bet that'll sell like crazy, right? Even though it came from Dollar General. So there's certainly something to the power of brands because of the whole idea of social stratification, conspicuous consumption, and things like that. So we really can't discount that kind of stuff. So that's kind of the whole idea there. But ultimately, going back to one statement that I said earlier, this is just one aspect. It doesn't explain everything. So social class doesn't explain all consumer behavior, but it kind of gives us a general guideline on how people might respond to our marketing strategies based on whatever subculture somebody belongs to.